Welcome to the Altitude University drone community. Happy Monday. My name is Hunter So, and I am here to help you up your drone editing game. So to begin with today, we're gonna go over speed ramping, and I'm gonna teach you in the most efficient and quickest way possible. Let's jump right into it. Before we get into speed ramping, I'm gonna show you these clips with nothing on them, just the original clips and the color grade I've selected. Let's jump right into speed ramping. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to this little FX yellow square right here, click it, timer mapping, speed. Zoom out, and what we wanna do is we wanna connect these two clips a lot smoother without just the harsh cut. So let's see this with the harsh cut. So it still looks great, but we can make it better. What you're gonna do, Command, click, drag this out right here, and you're gonna drag this up, and you're gonna see this percentage go up. So that means this section is now 200% faster. This ramp from 100% speed, the normal speed right here, to this section, 200%. This is the smooth ramp that leads into it. So let's see how this looks if we drag this out. See that? It's pretty cool. We can make that smoother though. So what you're gonna do, drag this, and you're extending the ramp now, so it'll be a lot smoother. So now that we have that section built in, we're gonna do the same thing on the beginning of the next clip, so the ramp goes up from the first clip and then smooths down into the second clip. So same thing, click on this little yellow square, the effects square, timer mapping, speed, command click, boom, drag this section out here, and we're gonna lift the left side of this clip instead of the right side of it. And you're gonna see the same thing. So this left side is now 177% faster. You see that ramp, so that's fast right there. And then this other side is still 100% speed. So let's see how this looks. What we're gonna do is we're gonna rinse and repeat that process for all of these clips until it looks exactly how we want. That's how simple speed ramping really is. Thanks so much for tagging along and watching this quick tutorial. I hope you learned something new today. Happy Monday, and we will see you in the next tutorial.